Hello Daad community. Yesterday we discussed what is the future of education with technology, and today I am discussing what are some challenges of technology in education. There are several challenges that educators and administrators face when integrating technology into education. Budget limitations. Budget cuts and limitations are a major hurdle that proponents of education technology must overcome in order to successfully introduce tech into their classrooms. Lack of professional training. Teachers need to be able to know not only how to get the most out of each new tool themselves, but also how to train their students in its use. Poor network infrastructure. A robust and reliable network infrastructure is essential for the smooth operation of technology in education. Resistance to change. There can be resistance from educators and students to the introduction of new technologies, which can hinder their effective implementation. No systems in place to utilize the technology in curriculum. The lack of systems to effectively integrate technology into the curriculum can be a significant challenge. Unreliable devices and software. The reliability of devices and software is crucial for the successful implementation of technology in education. Administrators don't see the need for more technology. Sometimes school administrators may not see the need for more technology, which can hinder its adoption. Inadequate evaluations that are determinal to educational technology adoption too. Differing device capabilities and instructions. The varying capabilities of devices and differing instructions can pose a challenge. Distractions. It's easy for students to be distracted by technology, which can affect lesson time and flow. Not everyone has technology at home. Not all the students have access to technology at home, which can create a digital divide. These challenges need to be addressed for any technology in education to reach its full potential. Your support means the world to us. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel to help us grow and create more amazing content for you people. In the next video, we will discuss how can we overcome the challenges of technology in education. Take care and bye-bye. See you in the next video.